Welcome to the 2023 Snow and Ice Inspection on the Ohio Turnpike. As you can hear, we are inspecting all of the trucks, 136-point inspection to make sure they're ready for the winter.
Today we're conducting our annual snow and ice inspection. So we pretty much start that from the end of the snow season. We break the trucks down, the plows, the spinners, go through the elevators and the auger systems, and look for any defects, things that need to be rebuilt. The mechanics go through and make sure that the brakes, the transmission lines, hydraulic lines, all those are in working order. And then we put those trucks back together to make sure that we are ready for the upcoming snow season. And that provides safety for our drivers and also safety for the traveling public.
We're out at Elmore Maintenance Building this morning, wrapping up our second day of inspections in the Western Division. It's been going real well. The mechanics have done a great job getting our trucks ready. And we're going to wrap up Elmore here in a little bit and head to Castalia. And once that's done, our fleet will be checked over good, and we'll make any deficiencies needed, and we'll be ready for the snow and ice season. Just asking everybody, respect the plows out there. Don't crowd them. The best place to be is behind a snowplow. We're clearing that road ahead of you. And just be careful when you're out there and give us a little room to work, and we'll try and get you where you need to be safe.